Number 1. Research visa requirements. Understanding and complying with visa requirements for each European country you plan to visit is crucial for a smooth travel experience. Visit official websites or trusted sources like Schengen Visa Info to get detailed information on visa regulations. All the links you find in the description. Make sure you apply for any necessary visas well in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Depending on your nationality, you might need a Schengen visa, which allows you to visit multiple countries within the Schengen zone with one visa. Remember to check the validity of your passport and ensure it has at least 6 months remaining from your planned date of return. Number 2. Create a budget and itinerary. Crafting a comprehensive budget and itinerary is essential for a well-organized trip. Use budgeting tools like Travel Bank to manage expenses and allocate funds wisely. Plan your itinerary to include must-see attractions and hidden gems, ensuring a balanced mix of activities that align with your interests. Factor in costs for accommodation, transportation, meals, and activities. Having a clear budget helps prevent overspending and ensures you have enough funds for unexpected expenses. Number 3. Book flights in advance. Securing your flights early can save you a lot of money. Use flight comparison tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to find the best deals. And last time, I also see the site Kayak as very useful. Booking in advance not only ensures better prices, but also gives you more options for flight times and seats. Consider using airline miles or points if you have them to reduce costs further. Also, look out for airlines offering free stopovers, allowing you to explore an additional destination without extra cost. Number 4. Pack light and smart. Efficient packing is key to a hassle-free trip. Choose versatile clothing and essential items, and use packing aids like packing cubes to stay organized. Remember, packing light allows you to move more freely and comfortably, especially when navigating through busy airports and crowded streets. Make a list of must-have items and stick to it, avoiding the temptation to overpack. Consider the climate of your destinations and pack accordingly, including a mix of layers to adapt to changing weather. Number 5. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can greatly enhance your travel experience. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel can help you pick up simple greetings and essential phrases. This effort shows respect for the local culture and makes interactions with locals much smoother. Phrases like hello, thank you please, and do you speak English are invaluable. Carry a small phrase book or download a translation app for on-the-go assistance. Number 6. Inform your bank and phone provider. Notify your bank and phone provider about your travel plans to avoid any disruptions. This ensures that your cards won't be flagged for suspicious activity and that you have access to funds and mobile services. Consider getting a travel-friendly credit card with no foreign transaction fees and an international phone plan or SIM card for affordable connectivity. Also, enable travel notifications on your banking apps to monitor your transactions easily. Number 7. Choose accommodations that suit your travel style. Selecting the right accommodations can significantly impact your trip. Use booking platforms like Booking.com or Airbnb to find places that match your preferences, whether it's budget-friendly hostels, cozy bed and breakfasts, or luxurious hotels. Look for properties with good reviews, central locations, and amenities that matter to you, such as free Wi-Fi or breakfasts. Consider staying in areas close to major attractions to save time and transportation costs. Number 8. Purchase travel insurance. Travel insurance is a must for any trip abroad. It covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and other unexpected events. Companies like World Nomads offer comprehensive policies tailored for travelers. Make sure to read the policy details carefully to understand what is covered and choose a plan that fits your needs. Having insurance provides peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your trip without worrying about potential mishaps. Number 9. Plan your transportation. Within Europe, efficient transportation planning helps you maximize your time in Europe. Research options like trains, buses, and budget airlines. Websites like Omio and Rail Europe provide comprehensive information on routes, schedules, and prices. Consider purchasing rail passes if you plan to travel extensively by train. For shorter distances, local buses or rideshare services like BlaBlaCar can be economical and convenient. Always book tickets in advance to secure the best rates. Number 10. Check the weather and pack accordingly. Weather can vary significantly across Europe, so it's essential to check forecasts for each destination. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered to adapt to different climates. Include a waterproof jacket, comfortable walking shoes, and a travel umbrella. Using packing cubes and compression bags can help you organize and save space. Remember, packing smart ensures you're prepared for any weather conditions. Number 11. Be aware of common scams and tourist traps. Understanding the potential scams and tourist traps in European destinations is crucial for safeguarding your travel experience. Research common scams in the areas you'll be visiting, such as fake petitions and overpriced services. Always use reputable sources for booking tours and transportation. Keep your belongings secure and be cautious when approached by strangers offering unsolicited help or goods. It's better to be overly cautious than to fall victim to a scam. Number 12. Download helpful apps before you go. Several apps can enhance your travel experience in Europe. Google Maps for navigation, Google Translate for language assistance, and XE Currency for real-time exchange rates are essential. Additionally, apps like Splitwise help manage expenses when traveling with others, and Too Good To Go allows you to buy discounted food from restaurants and bakeries. Having these apps handy can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 13. Try local cuisine and immerse yourself in the culture. Exploring the culinary delights of Europe is a gateway to understanding its rich cultural tapestry. Research local dishes and restaurants before you go, and don't be afraid to try new foods. Street food markets and local eateries often offer the most authentic and affordable meals. Engaging with the local food scene not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also gives you insights into the region's history and traditions. Number 14. Stay flexible and open to new experiences. While planning is essential, staying flexible and open to new experiences can lead to the most memorable moments. Be open to changing your itinerary based on local recommendations or unforeseen opportunities. Exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, engaging with locals, and trying new activities can enrich your travel experience. Number 15. Stay connected with family and friends. Maintaining communication with loved ones while traveling is essential for safety and sharing your experiences. Use apps like WhatsApp for free international calls and messages. Share your itinerary and check in regularly with family and friends. You can also share your GPS locations with someone you trust through an app. Or, if you just want it in uncertain situations, you can also share your location live through WhatsApp, for example. For the next 15 minutes. Keeping family and friends updated on your whereabouts can provide a sense of security and allow them to assist in case of emergencies. And remember, while enjoying Europe, always be mindful of pickpockets and thieves. Places like Paris, Barcelona, and Rome, for example, are very popular for it. I used to hide my money in one of my dirty socks in a corner of the hotel room. But this is already the story of another video. See you in Europe.